Hello, my name is Joe Insao. Today I will introduce my family to you. I have 4 people in my family: father, mother, older sister, and me. My father is an architect. He is good at cycling. My mother works in an art museum. She is good at cooking and is very delicious. My sister is a student. She likes to watch movies. She likes to eat chicken too. I am in the 6th grade in Cheongga Elementary School. My hobby is watching One Piece. One Piece is an animation which finds treasure named One Piece. My family's hobby is reading. We like to talk about books. It's very fun, but sometimes it's boring. I wish my family and I went to Germany in the future. When I go to Germany, I want to eat German sausages and learn to speak German. Thank you for listening to my speech.